Have you ever been stuck with a locked Nissan radio screen after a battery change? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock it using a simple, powerful tool called Nissan Radio Unlock. Let me show you how it works. First, you need to find your radio's serial number. Once you have it, simply launch the Nissan Radio Unlock application. Enter that serial number into the first field. Then, all you have to do is click the Generate button. And just like that, your unique unlock code is generated. The best part? This program works with a huge range of Nissan models and radio types, including the Micra, Qashqai, Note, Juke, Primera, Navara, and many more. So, I'm going to show you guys how to download it. All you have to do now is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get the application Nissan Radio Unlock. So, just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.